Good day, everyone. I'm James Romeo Ganal. So, for today's topic, I am going to discuss the five pillars of the criminal justice system in the Philippines, which are the law enforcement, the prosecution, the judiciary, the correctional institutions, and the community. First of all, what is criminal justice system? Criminal justice system is the machinery which the society uses in the prevention and control of crime. It may also refer to the totality of the activities of law enforcement prosecution, court, correction, and community in crime. At dahil nga ito ay tinatawag na system o sistema sa Tagalog, ito ay dadaan sa iba't ibang proseso at sa iba't ibang sangay ng gobyerno na may kanya-kanyang ginagampanan. Upang maiwasan ang pang-aabuso at mabigyan ng hustisya ang biktima ng krimen. As we shall see, our criminal justice system is composed of five pillars that function like a chain of links. Any weakness in any of these links breaks the chain, resulting to a breakdown of this system. Inordinate, delays in the proceeding, acquittal of the guilty, and conviction of the innocent. Number 1, law enforcement o ang alagad ng batas. To this group belong the policemen, NBI agent, PDEA agents, the Military Bureau of Customs, LTO, traffic enforcers. Sila ang magkakalap ng ebidensya bilang patunay ng nagawang kasalanan o paglabag ng batas ng taong inaaresto. Don't you know that the law enforcement is one of the most important pillar of criminal justice system? Dahil dito nagsisimula ang masusing pagdedesisyon kung dapat nga bang arestuhin at ikulong ang isang individual base sa kanyang nagawa o dapat bigyan lamang ito ng babala. Number 2, prosecution pillar. To this group belongs the city, provincial and regional state prosecutor of the Department of Justice, and the investigator of prosecutors of the Office of the Ombudsman. Sila ang masusing nagsasala kung ang taong naaresto ay nakagawa nga ba ng krimen sa pamamagitan ng preliminary investigations to determine whether or not there is a probable cause to prosecute the respondent in court. If they found probable cause, they lodge a criminal charge against the respondent before the court dismiss. At ang mga taong nagsasagawa ito ay tinatawag na fiscal o prosecutor. Number 3, the courts pillar. To this group belongs the municipal trial courts for crimes punishable by imprisonment not exceeding for 6 years. For Sharia circuits courts in the ARMM, for criminal violation of the Muslim Code, the regional trial courts for crimes punishable by imprisonment of more than 6 years, and the appeals from the decision of the municipal trial courts, the Sandigan Bayan, for crimes committed by government officials with salary grades 27 and above regardless to the penalty prescribed for the offense charge, in the appeals from decisions of the regional trial court in criminal cases against government employees below salary grade 27. The Court of Appeals from the decision of the regional trial court's criminal case against non-government people, and the Supreme Court for Appeal from the decisions of the Court of Appeals, Sandigan Bayan, and automatic review of decisions of the regional trial court and Sandigan Bayan. The court plays dual role in the Philippine criminal justice system. In its as participants, the court determines for the guilt or innocence of the accused. The courts are responsible for the trial process, and the court acts as important guardian of human rights. Number 4, corrections pillar. To this group belongs the various jails like the municipal, city, and provincial jail, the Bureau of Correction in Muntinlupa, and other correctional facilities. While the criminal case is pending in court, The accused shall be detained at the municipal, city, or provincial jail unless the post a bail bond for his probationary liberty and if the offense is bailable. After conviction, the convict will be sent to the Bureau of Corrections to serve this sentence. Correction Filiar perform its task as the sick keeper and undertake the rehabilitation of offenders and convicted felons. It aims to rehabilitate and ensure humane treatment of prisoners. However, jail congestion hinders them in all their core functions. Our criminal justice being is also a corrective one. The correction officials are mandated to see to it that the convict is reformed and is able to reintegrate himself into community after serving his sentence. Number 5. The community pillar. The Filipino or a rotten community will always produce rotten enforcement, prosecutors, judges, justices, and correction officials. The spring cannot rise above its source. Members of the community are also of the victims of crimes, direct or indirect. They are also the beneficiaries of an efficient and effective criminal justice system in the form of a peaceful, fear-free environment. The community is also the greatest source of information about the commission of a crime. It is from the community that most witnesses come, including victims and whistleblowers. Most crimes against property like theft, robbery, etc. are dismissed because the victim does not testify in the court, especially the stolen property is recovered. Hence, thieves and robbers are set free again to steal and rob. The community pillar relates to activity that is intended to promote goodness or improve human quality of life and community well-being. Once again, I'm James Romeo Ganal from Cream 1 JB.